Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet. It's about a stock option scanner, which we can use based on our advanced option strategy. And one more thing which I want to clarify you. So you have a lot of doubts about this Google Sheet. In two different way, we can use this Google Sheet. Okay, so that I'm going to explain you or how to use effectively this Google Sheet. Already we discussed this thing, but even you have some doubts and questions regarding the same. So that's why I make this video. And before that, how this Google Sheet works, it is based on the price calculation. First concept, it's working based on the price calculations. I am just doing so advanced option strategy. I have a one course content where I'm teaching you the advanced option strategy. There you are going to learn some four edging strategy along with one naked strategy. Okay, that's a course part, and how this Google Sheet you can effectively use. Okay, so that I'm going to discuss in this video. So first of all, we are using a Google Sheet. It's act as a scanner. It's a scanner for stock option. So F&O list. So how many stock which is available on F&O? So that will be scanned for all the list of stock which is available in future and options. Currently, we have almost 184 F&O stocks. 184 stocks that will be listed on the sheet. And left side we see a call side, and right side we see a put side. So how this works, and it is works based on the calculated formula, predefined formula. So based on that, I'm just working out about the sheet. Okay, so in call side, so you will be finding out there is a two column. This is what a strike price and the current entry price. That is what our exact entry which you are looking for this particular option. And third one should be the current LTP. That means whatever the LTP price which is traded. And the update for this sheet is around 30 seconds. Okay, it will update around 15 to 30 seconds maximum. Sometimes it may be 1 minute also. Okay. So right now it is updating around before 30 seconds. Okay, it is not a real time. It is about near to real time. Okay, it is not a tick by tick. And this is what an entry point. So this entry point, when it is reaches in this percentage change column, it will be showing you 100%. Simply it does means when our entry point the stock reaches, it will be showing you 100% in the column. So simply when that stock reaching 100%, that should be an entry point based on this calculation. Okay, so based on this calculation, and here I'm not providing you any stop loss and target. So why I'm not providing you the stop loss and target? If I'm providing you the stop loss and target, it should be the tips providing like that. I don't want to go for this. Okay, so this is what the idea where I'm using. So, at the same time, right side, if you are looking for the sheet, you are going to see the put strike prices. So, in this one, anywhere around 2560 is the put option strike price, and entry point for that particular stock is around 31.5 and 37.2 is our current price. Maybe almost 18%, which increased from our entry point. That is the meaning on this green side, which shows the 118 percentage that the stock increased more than 18% or exactly 18%, which increased from our entry point. So, for example, if you're finding a stock like ICICI Bank around 85.6%, what it means, if the stock reaching 85, sorry, it is currently trading 85.6%. So, this may be the stock which is going to reach 100% in near time. Okay, so currently 80%. So, that means there is a shortfall 15% for our entry. So maybe this one should be the breakout, waiting for a breakout. So we can focus that such a kind of stocks. We are looking for the stock, waiting for a breakout that was not broken. Maybe it can be broke in live sessions, maybe uh, next 1 hour, 2 hour, like that depends on when the stock price movement. So if you want to find out a fresh break, that means a breakout, you can see below 100%. That should be the nearby breakout, and above 75, that should be the better 75 to 90 or even 95 percentage. You can look for a breakout. Same time, today this week market is expiry week and premium, no premium, so a lot of thing and physical delivery. But even though vaguely it is working well and good, so look at this, how many stock which is increased more than 100% this week. So almost 17 stock which increased more than 200%. That means 100% from our entry, the option premium which doubles like that. Some of the stocks nearly 300 national aluminum. Even we are looking the stock on Monday and a sale also we are looking for. BHL also we looked at, but BHL in ban period and Deepak Nitrate was a gap up. So these are the things. So if I want to find out a new opportunity, where I can find out. Simply I go below and almost 50% increase is near about 32 stocks. Okay, that's good. So if I want to find out a new opportunity, maybe this is what a newer opportunity, which is nearing to that 100%. Maybe in this case, I'm just looking out the stock and I will find out the opportunity before the breakout. For example, here MGL 24.8, currently trading 23, and 24.8 should be my breakout. Once it is breaks, I will be getting an opportunity. So this is what a logic which I used. The same logic which I used in a monthly positional. So monthly positional, this data sheet is our updating for every month in the first of the month. Maybe for a September contract, it will be updated on 1st of September. So already we have a lot of stocks entry triggered, but the sheet will never change day by day. The entry price and the strike price, everything will be remain same for a full of the month, from 1st of the month to 30th of the month. So that you should understand. This is not about the sheet which is going to be updated daily or weekly. So this is sheet perfectly updating for every 1 month. So this is concept which I used for my advanced option strategy, where I can apply my trades based on my strategy which I'm teaching on the classes. My student can easily understood the concept. They know well where to keep a stop loss and target and how to apply hedging strategies here when the entry is triggered. That is a different concept. We are combining that strategy into this sheet. So if you are new, and if you are not known my strategy, and if you are going to use your strategy, so you should focus for a fresh breakout about 100%. For example, I tell you the concept very clearly. Here is IDFC 90 call option. Our breakout point is 2 rupees. Okay, this is a weekly position. Okay, so how did I calculate that fresh breakout? The fresh breakout is nothing about the stock which is breaking that breakout point in the beginning of the day, first time. Okay, I have one more trade. I find out a bank nifty here. So the concept of early morning it is trading here in the live session. I just find out here at the opportunity around 44,800. That was a good move today. And some of the opportunities we are looking for a Ashok Leyland that was given in the breakout and it went up to one rupee plus. I think 4.9 is high. After that it moves down. And Maruti, which we find out today. So it's about a yesterday's breakout. And today morning we find 151. How many of them were bought? This I don't know, but it was a great move which is happening today. And some of the options which you are looking for a State Bank of India, it was 10.10 is our breakout, but it never breaks the level and it is keep on moving down. Maybe put side, it will be giving you some opportunities. Okay, so a lot of trade and nearby expiry week, we are not mainly focusing for a stock options. Okay, okay. So the concept is IDFC 90 call option. It's a weekly trade. Weekly trade simply which started from Monday to Friday. Okay, IDFC 90 call option. I'm going to focus. I think IDFC First Bank, right? Sorry. IDFC First Bank 90 call option. That should be the strike price. IDFC First Bank 90 call option. Look at this IDFC First Bank. This is the 90 call option. And weekly trade. If we are going to focus a weekly trade opportunity from Monday to Friday, that will be the time frame. So next Friday, that is the end of the Friday, the sheet will be updated for next week from Monday to Friday. So look at this, and this week is started on 28th and is going to be closed on first of the day, but it is an expiry week, so maybe it is closed by 31st. So I'm telling you, The normal week, so 28 to 31st. If it is a normal week, so it is going to be first. Because of the expiry, there is a confusion. Or you can take 28th the first is the week. So our IDFC First Bank entry point is 2 rupees. That is what our entry, which we are looking for breakout. So from 28, you need to check from 28 because Monday is past, Tuesday is past, today Wednesday also be past. Okay, so in Monday, so our breakout point is 2 rupees. You can see till all the 3 days, it never breaks the level. And if it is breaks 2 rupees tomorrow, this should be the fresh breakout. Hope you understand. This should be the fresh breakout. This is what on a trade which we are planning based on the sheet. If you even you don't know the strategy also. So where I can keep a stop loss, where I can put a target. So this is what the trade we find the entry. You may be using your technical indicators or your analysis or your charts. Maybe you may be using some of indicators or some of our technicals or some of the technique also you can use. You can apply that technique once the breakout is happened. So then you can fix your target and stop loss. You can derive your target and stop loss, and then you can trade. So this is called the fresh breakout. So one more trade I will show you the real example. So Maruti. So what is the entry point for Maruti is about, this is what an entry. Okay, so you can see 152 is our entry point exactly Maruti. 152 is our entry point. So from 28 and 29 and 30, last 3 days, you can see the Maruti which gives you the fresh breakout on 28 itself. 28 itself, it is given you the first time breakout is the fresh breakout. Here we got a fresh breakout. What I'm telling you, fresh breakout means what? The entry point should be breaks in the first time of that particular time frame. Same, it's for a monthly also. That is what a fresh breakout. And from that 151 and it went up to near about 180 plus. But we are planning for a positional trade. Okay, so we know where we can keep a stop loss and other things. But after, if you're intraday trader, maybe it is giving you some 30 points, that's good enough. But after the next day opening, it was a huge rejection, but we are not following. Okay, so the second time I find a breakout entry. So in this candle limit, because it's a huge candle, something happening on this first 15 minutes. And this is what an entry point. So it gives you some benefit, and again re-entry, it gives you benefit. And third today is the stock which I find with a retracement opportunity or re-entry. It's not a retracement, re-entry, and the same price. Re-entry at the same price. I got it today. I find it because it's a quality and liquidity. So one more important point I will come to later now. So this is what and fresh breakout and re-entry. So same like that, I will tell you one more stock is about DLF 475. DLF 475 call option. Same thing. You can see 28 Monday around 9:30, which triggers an entry point. So I can go for a positional trade normally. If you are an intraday trader from 11.3, it moves to 12.9 immediately. Maybe if you are using any other indicator, it maybe triggers your stop loss here. But as per my positional trade entry, it not triggers my stop loss. And it was came down to around 8 rupees. And I was waiting for it and 29 again the earliest by the opening around 9:30 because it was not a fresh breakout. And this is what a re-entry. Okay. So this time I was trying for an opportunity. From that, it went up to 22. Unfortunately, today it went up to 26. Okay. So hope you understand in this concept where I am using, this is a fresh breakout. First time breakout, either it may happen by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday or Friday. But that price should be not broken in previous days compared to the time frame. Time frame means weekly time frame, monthly means monthly time frame. So that is called a fresh breakout, and this one is a re-entry. So you can also focus for a re-entry if it is a stock which is having a quality and good. So one more thing which we can focus, if a stock given you entry and if it is keep on going lower, and if you find out any buy signal only, so you can focus that by any other indicator chart. That is what another pullback entry, something like that you can. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the difference between the fresh entry, fresh breakout, and re-entry. Okay, so if you are going to check, this is the sheet which is running for over 184 stocks, which we are going to focus. So look at the sale. Today I seen around the same price, SAL 186, 86 or 88, 88. So look for, I just seen that in the morning. I think it is not active. Yeah, you can see. What is our entry point? 1.4 is our entry point on weekly basis. SAL, SAIL 1.4. You can see here in the morning. So if you are looking for this is a fresh breakout. From that point, 28. From 28, it never break 1.4. And today, it given the breakout after 9:30. That is called as a fresh breakout. I hope you understand. But to do that, I required a high margin. So even I placed the order around 1.4, but it was rejected. I think they asking around nearby 1,90,000 for the margin for this option. But if you are calculating the exact margin is near about, I think the sale lot size is around 9,000, 8,000. It should be, it's actually, yeah, 8,000. But the margin for this exact value for the option is around 10,000 plus, but they are requiring 1.9 lakhs margin. But if you have the margin, it is on normal days, this is what a concept. So after 3 days, third day, it given a fresh breakout. You need to find that. If the stock having a fresh breakout. So how did I find out in the early morning? So I will go through that. If the stock doesn't give the fresh breakout, and even IDFC should be the stock which is not broken our entry one till now. Some of the stock maybe PNB. Also, I'm just looking 61 call option today. So let me go for sale. It is giving you fresh breakout today and works well. And Punjab National Bank 61 call option. I will show you what is that. You can understand. You can see 2.45. That is what on a trigger which is happening on yesterday. That is 28. So after 29th, it's lower. As a position, we can wait. And now it is 2.85 and closed by 2.3. So exactly nearby our entry point. Maybe if you are using any other opportunities, you can plan here for a retracement or re-entry opportunities also. But if it is breaks today 2.4, that means it is not a fresh breakout and re-entry. Okay. So I hope you clear about the fresh breakout. And so if you are looking for a trade, you just confirm with the good volume. And good volume means if you are looking for some stocks like sale, I can go for a sale. Sale, the strike price is around 88, na? 88. You can look at this, the sale 88 call option. Today we are just looking for this, and the volume is 36 lakhs, right? So how to calculate that exact contract traded? Just simply 3600,000 divided by lot size. So almost 450 contract which is traded. It's a quality. Okay. So maybe after market close, we are seeing the bid ask spread gap is high, but in a live market, you can see the bid ask spread gap should be very low. Okay. So here right now 45 paisa gap. So 45 paisa means what? Almost near about 4,000 rupees. So if you are buying this option and you are bidding 4,000 higher from the as from the buy price. Okay, so you don't go for like this kind of trades. You need to check the stock should have even bid ask spread. Okay, so like you can go for a Punjab National Bank. So call option of 61. So look at the 2.3 and 2.5. So there is a gap is just 20 paisa and 94, 9,44,000 is the volume. So while before taking a trade, you can simply check if the stock doesn't have a volume, simply avoid it. So this way we find a lot of stocks, and you those who are watching my live session, you know very well the same concept which I'm applying. So if you are watching this sheet from Monday, this much of stocks you got it from this sheet. And one more important thing, if some of the days market open about to our entry point, some days, if it is the stock open gap up or gap higher or lower, so that is why we are not going to take a trade before 9:30, or simply we can try for a trade by using the sheet after 9:30. So then we simply avoid, so the breakout which is happen in the first 15 minutes. If breakout happen in the first 15 minutes, you don't take a trade and you can focus for a retracement or a, sorry, re-entry or any other lower level buy opportunity on the same, then it would be a better. So this is called a fresh breakout after 9:30. So that we are looking for. Why I'm saying you that? So in the morning live session also I suggested, and this one option which I find out for a breakout. Even when I show you the bank nifty, I'm expecting a reversal in the bank nifty. It was started with positive. It's about opened above previous day high. That means most of the time, if the stock opened above previous day high, it will be going down. So here is my entry point which I'm looking for, and this is what my stop loss, and this is what my target. But it was keep on moving lower, and around closing hours, it give you such a big down. Okay, so that thing has happened. Initially, it's showing you positive, but after the open, it shows positive. But the trending is negative. Finally, Nifty also 100 points corrected. So first candle hammer, and then low of that hammer is broken. You can see how this down. The gap is filled. My target should be this gap that exactly filled on Nifty also. That is happening around the 2 o'clock. Okay, that happened, and it was giving you such a big move. But initially, it was very narrow and range mode. So that's why we are simply avoiding. For example, Deepak Nitrate 2020 call option. Deepak Nitrate 2020 is the strike price. Where should be my entry point? 44. Okay, so when did the 44 is triggered? So 15 minutes. So 28 is our entry point, and 28 is our 24, and this point 41 is the highest level, correct? 41 is the highest level. 44 is not broken. And then 28 till it's not given you opportunity. By 29th opening, it's opened above 49. That means the first 15 minutes. First 15 to 9:30 on 29th August, that triggers our entry point before the 9:30. So I don't want to go for this stock. Simply avoid this. So if you are avoiding this stock, but if you are a risky taker, you can go for other than otherwise. So but as per the concept, how to use it. So before 9:30, we triggers our entry point, leave it, and if it is goes down and if we give you retracement, you can go for. If it is go straight, don't go for it. So this is not a right rate. And GLFC 570, whether it is a fresh breakout from Monday. So 28 is starting. First candle is 15.95. Where I want to focus for an entry is 16.3. It's a fresh breakout trade. Correct? 9:30 to 9:40 only, which triggers the high 16.3 that not broken before 9:30. So next candle only 9:30 to 9:45 candle, we got a breakout, and the intraday trade it's given you benefit, and positional trade it given you benefit from 20 something around 16 plus. Now it is 40. Maybe it went a higher 40, closing by 34. So this is a fresh breakout trade which we are looking for by the sheet. And to Maruti, I already shown with the example Maruti, the first breakout which is happening on 28, but it may be a stop loss trade. If you are placing a stop loss for the next day, maybe it triggers. Okay, stop lossable trades, and after that it went higher. And today replacement opportunity we can get. And Grasim, Dalmia, India housing finance is not a liquid one. M&M 35 to 60. I think yesterday some people were asking about M&M 1520. That is also works well. And Manapuram. So those who watch to Manapuram 140. And sometimes it may be not liquid, simply ignore. You can see how the stock is traded. Gap. So liquidity issue. That's why the stock is not traded. But if those who watched NMDC yesterday, that is Monday, 119. That was the time frame which we are looking for. This is what a breakout. So 9:30 after only which we got it on Monday. So that gives a breakout around 2.65, and it went up to 5 and finally closed 14. So we are our achieved our target here around 5 rupees. So I hope you understand how I'm going to use it. Same concept. Same concept which I'm going to use for a monthly. If you are want to positional trades by using the sheet. And monthly you can wait for a maximum of 30 days. Weekly you can wait for a maximum of 5 days on this week, because after next week the sheet will be updated for next week trading. So you should understand the concept, and don't think it is not going to give you buy sell signals, and it will be finding your stock which is weekly and monthly opportunities. Maybe we are planning for a daily also. Daily means we need to check the same concepts on daily, but maybe in future it will be came around this weekend or by maybe the next week. So we are working on it. Okay, so I hope you understood how this sheet is working and what should be the logic which how we can effectively use it. Even Jindal Steel 630, it was higher, then now it is lower. 630 Jindal Steel, you can see. On the quality and liquid stock. So finally the 630 Jindal Steel, and you can see on one day, 28th August, it is gradually going on. Our entry point is 20. So 20 where it is triggered, and 17, 18, 19, 20. So here not 20, 20, which is triggered on 12 o'clock of Monday. So after that, it's keep on going up, maximum 50. Now the slower 43. So hope you understand. So main concept by using the Google Sheet is a scanner. First thing is about the scanner of EFO list stock option scanner. Okay, and to finding a all FO list. And so lot of thing weekly and monthly. So there is a sheet which is called a temp. Don't use it. It is under testing. Once the testing is completed, I can go for update here about the sheet. And weekly is started from Monday to Friday. Monthly is started from first of the month to maximum expiry. Both are positional, and you can also use intraday. How you can use for an intraday? So depends on your strategy. So maybe you can reduce your risk as a positional strategy, take a higher risk and higher reward. If you are looking for entry, so fresh breakout, you can focus and it may be going to give you. And based on your concept, you can keep your stop losses, and that will help you to make an intraday trade also. And if you want to join our live session, so daily live, which we are doing on our YouTube channel. So if you are still not subscribed, just subscribe the channel, and daily around 9:10 to 10:10, which we are doing a live session. This is for educational purpose and doubt clearing sessions for students who are attending my classes. Even though they are finding some trade opportunities that you can also utilize and use it. Okay, I hope you understood the concept how to use the Google Sheet and charges for this Google Sheet for a monthly basis. And if you want to go for 1,200 rupees per month, so if you wish, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video, and I will give you the more detail. Or if you want to even pre-recorded videos how to use the Google Sheet, the website link which is available on our description. That website you can go for how to use a Google Sheet. That is worth 99 rupees. So even if you want to know how to use the Google Sheet without advanced option strategy, so first you can go to this 99 rupees, and after completing then watching around 45 minutes video, after completing this, if you are okay, then you can purchase the Google Sheet. And this 100 rupees or 99 rupees, I will give you the discount on the first month. So then next month onwards around 1,200. Maybe right now it is working better. And if more people, so the price will be less. So such a kind of concept, I will be announcing that in a 1 or 2 months, because I'm expecting some data cost to cover and working better. So maybe in futures, I will be reducing the fees for that particular sheet also. So I have a clear understanding about the sheet, and maybe this week, so tomorrow is the monthly expiry, and immediately the monthly contract, September contract will start it, and Friday onwards, you will be expecting update in a monthly sheet. Okay, and weekly sheet it's for only 1 day. Okay, because of that week is going to be closed on Friday, so the same Friday maybe you can use it, and from Monday onwards you will be getting the monthly sheets. That's sorry, weekly sheets. So monthly sheet is going to be updated on Friday. Okay, and monthly sheet first Friday, and weekly sheet would be on 4th September. Okay, so then 4th to 8th. So that 5 days. I hope you understood the concept how I'm using that Google Sheet for my trading opportunities. Even on the first 1 hour, I'm just finding an opportunity. That's good enough. So, based on this logic, 3 to 4 stocks is good enough. I don't want to go for 100, 200 stocks in a day. Sorry, 10, 15 stocks in a day. So in a week, I can get a 4 to 5 stocks is good enough to cover my expected return or what I'm expecting from the market. That is good enough. And if you are using for a monthly sheet also, you can simply get covered about the monthly. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you like this video, hit your like button And if you're still not subscribing my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you want to scan this and screen this on charting, so we can make for a customized basis also. So if you have any requirement, so you can ping me on the same WhatsApp number which shown on this description, and also which is available here on this video. And if any more doubts and questions, ping me here. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you for your time to watch this one. So if you are new, kindly hit subscribe button. Thank you.